How to add a drop effect in CapCut. Want your text or objects to fall dramatically in CapCut? Let's create the drop effect. So to get started, go ahead and open CapCut on your device. Click on New Video into the Edit section and then select the background image or the background video that you want to use for your video. And then from here, look for the overlay button. Click on Add Overlay and then select the photo that you want to add as an overlay. Now go ahead and click on the photo and then look for the Remove BG2 under the Tools section and then click on Auto Removal and then click on this check icon to save this. And then go ahead and crop out that specific product from here that you want to use for the drop effect. So simply look for the crop to under the tool section and then go ahead and crop it out for this specific photo. And then once you're done, click on this check button at the top right to save the changes. Now let's add the effect. So go ahead and place the photo at the very top of your canvas and make sure that it does not show. Click on this keyframe button, then go ahead and place the photo into the intended drop area where you want it to land. CapCut will animate the fall. And that is how you can basically add a drop effect in CapCut.